Howdy Lone Stars, I'm back and welcome back to day 17 of 25 days of Christmas. Today we've got Santa Eric K and Delaware tickets. So new state, but not a new Santa. Santa Eric actually sent us tickets from 3 different states that we featured on 25 days of Christmas. So thank you again, Santa Eric. Much appreciate all your support. You already know. But everyone, make sure you guys say thank you to Santa Eric K as well. And if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button. Trying to grow the subscriber base on this channel. It's been a little rough. I know I'm a little vanilla. I understand I'm not super exciting. And these are just lottery tickets. But if you find yourself rewatching the content or watching different videos repeatedly coming back to the channel, there's no reason you shouldn't subscribe, so please do. All right, we're gonna start with these $2 'Tis the Season tickets. We've got 5 of them, and our total session today is $45. So let's see if we can find at least that, maybe that or more, on these Delaware tickets. All right, match the winning number, get a stocking for double, a tree for all 10 prizes. It's kind of weird how they divided the play area here. We're looking for symbols first. Stockings and trees. It'd be nice to find a tree form. 17 and 1. Don't see that. Moving on to the next one. Stocking and a tree. 6, 15. All right, come on. 'Tis the season for winning, not taking all of Santa Eric K's money. Let's go. Three and 8. Nope. 9, 13. Okay, last of the 2s. Come on, Delaware, don't be mean. Oh wow, I just noticed the top prize is only $1,000 on this $2 ticket. Seems kind of low, but maybe the odds to get it are a little better than usual. There's a stocking. All right, so we've got a doubler. Can we also get some numbers? 16. Nina. Nope, just the stocking. A $4 win. All right, so $4. Finally, something on the winning side of the board. Now we've got 5 of these $5 holiday cash. Pretty little tickets. We need a tree symbol for the auto, a double dollars for 25 instantly, or a matching number. Oh, actually, no matching number, just the tree for the auto and the double dollars for double. It's a symbol game, okay. So trees and double dollars. Look, there I am. There's candy. Too bad it's not a winning symbol, huh? Can they do one where it's a winning symbol, please? How come candy's never a winner? We got a tree. That's a win. Let's keep going. See if we can find more trees. Like a tree form. There's another tree. And another one. Yay! 3 trees. 25 doll hairs. That's nice. All right. These previous days that Santa Eric K sent forth, it was brutal. So this one's already feeling a little bit better. Let's keep going. Let's find him all of his money today. A big profit would be perfect. We still have a ways to go to break even, but we're on our way. Nope. All right, next one. don't see double dollars or a tree, so that must not be a winner. Last of the fives. All right, come on. Let's get 12 winning symbols here. There's a tree. We've got one tree so far. Come on, let's add more trees. More trees, please. No, just that one. All right, 5 there. All right, so we're officially, well, actually, we're already officially over the halfway mark on our last win before that. So we've already been there, but now we're trying to get at least a break even. So right now we're at 34 back out of 45. This is a $10 ticket. If we win on it, we'll be so close to breaking even, we might as well call it. If we win more than $10, then we're gonna get ourselves a nice profit. All right, let's see. We need to match the winning numbers or a money bag for 10 times. Oh, and there's a bonus up here. I was like, what are these instructions for? Real double dollars for 50 instantly. So let's start with that. This is Snowflake Wonder from the Delaware lottery. It's a pretty ticket, I really like it. It's a sled, so nothing there, no $50 instantly. Down here, money bags or matching numbers. Money bag is a 10xer, so I'd love to see that. I feel like it's been a while since I've seen a 10x win of any capacity, you know, fake multiplier or not. All right, so no money bags. It's gonna have to be a matching number. 8, 28, 14, 11, 22. Well, unfortunately, the 10 did not come through for us. We did have a couple wins on these 5s. I think this was the best session we had for Santa Eric K. I was hoping for better, but it was better than at least the previous one. So improvement and progress, I guess we'll take it. But anyway, you guys, that is it for me. Thank you so much for watching today's video. And again, if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button up there. If you haven't said thank you to Eric, make sure you do down in the comments. And we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.